Let's talk tools. Do you find yourself jumping between tools? You've got one for capturing, one for tracking, and a third for fixing issues. All these tools, and yet I bet none of them really understand what you're building. It's sort of like asking a hammer to understand that you're building a house. But at TestChimp, our special sauce is our unique TestChimp context window. It's an always up-to-date runtime view of your whole project. And now with our Chrome extension, we're consolidating all of these workflows. You get that context-aware AI assistant that's a single click away anywhere you go as you navigate and test your site. Let's jump in and take a look at the new TestChimp Chrome extension. The first thing you'll notice is there are 4 tabs. Let's start with bugs. Our extension knows exactly where you are in the app, and it pulls in bugs already identified for the current screen that you're on. This gives you immediate insight into what's been found and what needs attention. You can also use the extension to find bugs. Here's a profile page that we just finished. As you can see, there are no issues identified, but I bet we can uncover some. I'm going to analyze the DOM, recent console logs, API activity, and screenshot the current screen. There you can see a number of issues need addressing. I could wait for the developer to pick this up, but I think it's easier for me to just fix it right now. All I do is click Fix in the IDE. The extension pulls together all the necessary information, specific element details, computed styles, the ancestry tree, and prompts the IDE with this rich context. And so for the first time anywhere, we're making it possible to go from issue identification to resolution in a single click. Let's say you're a developer and you see an issue. Working with an AI coding assistant usually takes a few rounds of prompting, trying to get the AI to understand. But with the TestChimp extension, all you need to do is point at the UI and explain in plain English what you're trying to achieve. The Chrome extension connects to your IDE via our VS Code extension and prompts your IDE with all the necessary context, just like we showed earlier. That gives the IDE rich context to resolve the issue in one shot. It's visual vibe coding and debugging. And now you can see the issue has been fixed simply by telling the Chrome extension what you wanted. Of course, not everything needs to be fixed right away, so if you see something that you want to address, you can save it for later in our Scratchpad. The extension gives the full context, saves it there, ready for you when you're ready to work. We know that test planning is crucial. That's why here in the Scenarios tab, the extension shows scenarios related to your current screen, giving you at-a-glance access to what needs to be tested. Our extension is also perfect for scenario brainstorming. Tell it to focus on a particular area, add specific considerations, or highlight elements. Our AI will generate scenarios considering not just your current screen's details, but also the broader runtime behavioral graph. This results in more tailored scenarios specific to your application. And for each scenario, it can flesh out the test steps as well, making authoring detailed test plans a snap. But wait, there's more. Click on any scenario listed, ask it to generate the test script, and it will prompt your IDE with the necessary context and get it to generate scripts in your project's style and structure. And you can connect our MCP server, which allows your IDE to access our full runtime behavior graph specifically for your app. This results again in that richer context, writing precise test scripts. This extension isn't just a convenience, it's a paradigm shift, and I don't say that lightly. By bringing TestChimp's learned runtime context directly to your browser, we're putting the power of a truly intelligent AI right at your fingertips. It's a cursor for QA that understands your application's live behavior. We're giving you better tools that finally understand what you're building. So download it today. Elevate your testing, accelerate your fixes, and deliver more quality code with unparalleled efficiency. That's all for now, but as always, keep on testing.